Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel SK Alpha Academy. Hope you are doing great. In our today's video, we are going to discuss Farazi movement. The Farazi movement was an Islamic reform movement started by Haji Shariatullah 1781 to 1840 in Bengal. The word Farazi comes from Faraiz, which means obligatory religious duties in Islam. After spending about 18 years in Makkah, Haji Shariatullah returned to Bengal and observed that Muslims were neglecting Islamic obligations such as prayer and fasting and were following un-Islamic customs. To correct these practices and reform Muslim society, he started the Farazi movement, which emphasized strict observance of Islamic duties according to the Quran and Sunnah. इस तहरीक ने मुसलमानों को 5 वक्त की नमाज पढ़ने, रमज़ान के रोज़े रखने और गैर इस्लामी रस्म व रवाज छोड़ने की तलकीन की. Let's have a look founder. जैसे मैंने पहले बताया, हाजी शरीयतुल्लाह 1781 to 1840, born in Faridpur, Bengal, spent about 18 years in Makkah, where he received Islamic education. After returning to Bengal, he saw the Muslims were neglecting Islamic duties and practicing un-Islamic customs. He started the Farazi movement to reform Muslim society. Let's have a look at aims and objectives. The main objectives of the Farazi movement were revival of Islamic obligations, emphasis on salah, fasting, other first duties, encourage Muslims to strictly follow Quran and Sunnah, and elimination of un-Islamic practices. Elimination of un-Islamic practices. Another important objective of the Farazi movement was the elimination of un-Islamic practices from Muslim society. The movement strongly opposed Hindu rituals mixed with Islam, bid'at, religious innovations. Haji Shariatullah wanted Muslims to practice pure Islam without any external or false customs. For instance, Muslims were discouraged from participating in non-Islamic rituals at weddings and religious ceremonies. Another important objective of the Farazi movement was to create religious awareness among Muslims. हाजी शरीयतुल्लाह चाहते थे कि मुसलमान जहालत से बेदार हों और अपनी इस्लामी शनाख्त को पहचानें. इस तहरीक के ज़रिए मुसलमानों को बुनियादी इस्लामी तालीमात सिखाई गईं, ईमान और इबादत के अहमियत से आगाह किया गया. फॉर इंस्टेंस, मुसलमानों को दुरुस्त अकायद और सही इबादत की तालीम दी गई. एंड सोशल रिफॉर्म. फ़राइज़ी तहरीक का एक और अहम मकसद समाजी इस्लाह था और इस तहरीक ने मुसलमानों के अखलाकी किरदार को बेहतर बनाने पर जोर दिया और दर्जे झील चीज़ों को फ़रोग़ दिया, जैसे मुसलमानों में इत्तेहाद, नज़्म व ज़ब्त, भाईचारा. इस तहरीक ने मुसलमानों को एक मुनज़्ज़म और बाअखलाक कौम बनाने में मदद की. मुसलमानों को बुरे अखलाक और समाजी बुराइयों से बचने की तलकीन की. These was the aims and objectives of Farazi movement. Let's have a look role of Dudu Mian in Farazi movement. हाजी शरीयतुल्लाह की वफ़ात के बाद फ़राइज़ी तहरीक की क़यादत उनके बेटे दुदू मियाँ ने संभाली. उन्होंने तहरीक को मज़ीद मुनज़्ज़म और मुअस्सर बनाया. दुदू मियाँ ने तहरीक को बाकायदा तंजीमी शक्ल दी, ख़ास तौर पर किसानों में तहरीक को फ़रोग़ दिया. बरतानवी हुक्मरान, हिंदू ज़िम्मेदार. उन्होंने मुसलमान किसानों को नाजायज़ टैक्सों और जुल्म से बचाने की कोशिश की, जिससे तहरीक अवाम में मकबूल हुई. मिसाल के तौर पे दुदू मियाँ ने मुसलमान किसानों को गैर मुनसफाना टैक्स अदा करने से इनकार करने की तरकीब दी. Let's see impact and importance of Farazi movement. The Farazi movement had a significant impact on Bengali Muslims and society as a whole. Its main contributors were revived Islamic spirits. It awakened Muslims to practice their religion faithfully and strengthened their faith in Islam. Encouraged regular prayer, fasting, and other Islamic duties. Foundation of future reform movements laid the groundwork for later Muslim reform movements in Bengal, inspiring leaders to continue social and religious reforms. Inspired movements focused on education and social awareness, strengthened resistance against expulsion, encouraged Muslims to stand against oppressions by British rule and Hindu landlords, protected peasants for unfair taxes and social injustice. It was the impacts and importance. Now let's conclude our discussion. The Farazi movement, founded by Haji Shariatullah and later led by Dudu Mian, was a significant Islamic reform movement in Bengal. It aimed to revive Islamic duties, eliminate un-Islamic practices, create religious awareness, and promote social reform. The movement strengthened the religious identity of Bengali Muslims, encouraged them to resist oppressions, and laid the foundation of future Muslims. Its influence made a lasting impact on faith, society, and moral values in Bengal. The Farazi movement was not only a religious revival but also a social and moral reforms that empowered the Muslims community. Thank you. If you found helpful this video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Feel free to comment. Allah Hafiz.